Alright, so now let's convert both these radicals into fully simplified mixed radicals. Let's just start with a factor 3 for 18. We can divide 18 by 2, which is the smallest prime number. 18 divided by 2 is 9. We can divide 9 by 3. 9 divided by 3 is just 3. So 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. So inside the radical we have 18, which is 2 times 3 times 3 times x squared, which is just x times x. Okay, now we can take things out by pairs from inside the radical. We have the 3 times 3, which outside the radical is just 1, 3, and the x times the x, which outside the radical is just 1x, times the root of 2, which got stuck inside the radical since it doesn't have another 2 that is multiplying with. So that is the fully simplified mixed radical form of root 18x squared. What about over here? We have 32x to the 4. Now 32 is divisible by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. Divided by 2 is 8. Divided by 2 is 4. Divided by 2 is 2. So 32 is actually 2 to the 5. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So here we have, whoops, that became an ugly 2. So we have 5 2's in total, times x to the 4, right? Now let's take things out by pairs. So we have one pair of 2's and another pair of 2's. So taking them outside of the radical, we're just going to have 1 2 for those two 2's and another one over here. So 1 2 for those two and another 2 for those 2's. Wow, this is getting confusing. Too many 2's. And inside the radical we still have 2 times x to the 4. Now x to the 4 is x times x times x times x. Now we can also take them out by pairs, and we have 2 pairs of x's, right? And outside we have 2 times 2, which is just 4. And now we can take out 2 x's. It's just one x outside the radical and another x outside the radical, times root of just 2. That 2 just got stuck in there because there was not another 2 to multiply it by. So here we have 4 times x, which is 4x squared root 2. And this is a fully simplified mixed radical form of root 32 x to the 4. That's it.